Hindi ako perfume collector. These perfumes, these are not just for display. But let me share with you kung ano-ano ang mga gamit na gamit kong perfume for the past year. So let's start off with my all-time favorites. Dalawa siya actually. Ito yung first. This is the Bulgari Crystalline Homme. Yes, you can see ito pa yung old packaging. Ito yung perfume ko nung graduate na ako sa mga Atlantis, Nenuco, Angel's Breath, Body Shop na White Mask. Ito yung very first perfume talaga na parang lady perfume na nabili ko talaga. So classic scent talaga to, guys. Very clean, very fresh, parang bagong ligo ka lagi. And then another all-time favorite, this is the Clinique Happy for men. Yes, for men po siya. Hindi ako mahilig sa citrusy perfume and I just love yung freshness nung citrusy smell niya. Ito yung perfume na pwedeng pang everyday ganap lang or pang office, pwedeng-pwede to. Next would be my new favorites. Starting off with this one, this is the 1 Million for Her na perfume ni Paco Rabanne. So yung scent nito, a little bit warm siya. Medyo may sweetness, citrusy siya, and a little bit of spice. Ito usually ginagamit ko to kung gusto kong umawara, pero hindi naman siya overpowering. Okay. Next new favorite ko, hindi na kailangan ng introduction. This is the Valaya exclusive from Perfume de Marly. Ito yung perfume na parang kahit sobrang simple lang yung outfit mo, pero parang ang linis at ang elegant mo tingnan. Ito yung newest perfume ko ha, and sobrang talagang tinitipid ko siya kasi I really love this perfume. And for last year, meron akong top 3 na used and abused talaga na scent. Top 3 ko would be ito siya. So this is the Hermes Twilly Ginger. As you can see, ayan, ubus na. Patak na lang po talaga yung natira sa kanya. Ito, medyo fresh and happy scent lang din talaga to. Yung scent nito, parang ginger soda na may soft flowers ang dating niya. Very light, very playful lang yung scent na to. And at some point, nasabi ko actually na kung meron akong signature scent, baka isa to sa mga mako-consider ko. For my top 2, this would be the Carolina Herrera Good Girl. Ito yung scent na pang extra days. Sweet sa una, tapos parang habang tumatagal, nagiging extra, nagiging bold yung scent niya na hindi masangsang or overpowering. So ito perfect to for dinners, event, or yung gusto mo ma-feel na parang ang sexy-sexy mo. Ito yung perfume na yun for me. And my top 1 used and abused perfume for 2025 would be this one. This is YS Elib. Last year ko lang din to nabili. Wala na siya sa kalahati agad. So, ganun ko talaga siya nagamit, nagustuhan, na enjoy for 2025. Ito yung masasabi ko parang confident woman perfume. Medyo warm, medyo sweet siya na vanilla, lavender. Pero hindi siya ganun ka-girly. Very comforting. Pero may strong and confidence yung dating niya. Na parang kahit on a normal day na ginamit mo to, you feel complete, you feel everything is sorted. Basta confident feeling lang talaga tong perfume na to. So, ayun lang. That's my perfume for 2025. And again, disclaimer, personal favorites ko lang to ha. Based on how I wear my perfumes. Not because I'm pro with perfumes or sponsored or paid. Share ko lang to talaga. So what works for me may not work for you and vice versa. So ayun lang, maraming salamat sa panonood. Till my next video. Byeers!